This blows my mind. We're sitting here in 2026 and people are still wondering, is it too late to start an online business in South Africa? Have we missed our chance? Especially if you're not in your 20s anymore, if you're in your 40s or 50s. Is affiliate marketing actually realistic? Or is this whole online world just for the tech-savvy youngsters who seem to understand everything instantly? Paula Walker here, bringing you the best tools and tips to grow an online business. Today, I want to have a real honest conversation with you. I know many of you are working full-time jobs. You're coming home tired and you're feeling the pressure of the rising costs in South Africa. You're looking for a way out, but you're also feeling overwhelmed by technology. You might be thinking, I'm not tech savvy. I don't want to dance on social media. Is this something I can really do at my age? So today I'm going to answer that question just simply without hype. So if you're new here, please just consider subscribing, and any links that I mention, I will put them down in the description below and pin them to the comments. Let's talk about the reality of where we are. It's 2026. The internet is busier than ever. There's more noise, there's more competition, and living in South Africa, we face our unique challenges. The economy is tough. The cost of groceries isn't going down, but here's the interesting thing. Because things are tough, more people are looking for solutions. They, looking for ways to save money, make money, or improve their lives. And in my opinion, this actually makes affiliate marketing more viable now than it was 5 years ago. Why? Because as South Africans, we can earn in foreign currency. We can earn in dollars or euros and spend in rands. And that is so powerful. Even a modest commission in dollars can go a long way. And the tools available to us now make it easier than ever to reach a global audience. And you can do this from your living room in Johannesburg or Durban or Cape Town, wherever you are in South Africa. You're not limited by the local economy anymore. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, age. If you're 40 or 50 like me, you might feel like you're starting behind. You see young influencers using AI, fancy editing, and you think you can't compete. But here's the truth. You don't need to compete with them. In fact, you shouldn't compete. The internet in 2026 has shifted. People are tired of fake, polished, perfect live content. They're craving authenticity. They want to trust the person they're actually buying from. And this is where your life experience becomes your advantage. We didn't grow up with iPads in our hands. We learned to build real relationships. We understand value. We understand integrity. When you recommend something as an affiliate, you're not chasing a quick sale. You're solving a real problem, and people can feel that difference. So is affiliate marketing viable for beginners in their 40s and 50s? Absolutely yes. And in fact, we may have the advantage. So how do we actually do this without getting overwhelmed by tech? I call it the kitchen table approach. You don't need a complicated website. You don't need expensive software. You don't need to be on every social media platform. You need one simple path. A lot of gurus will actually tell you that you need funnels and bots, automation and complex systems. But simplicity wins. If you can write an email or send a message on Facebook, you have enough skill to start. The tools today are user-friendly. The tech barrier is lower than ever. It's not about being the loudest. It's about being consistent. An hour in the evening or a Saturday morning with your coffee. That's how you build this quietly, steadily, simply. Now, I want to be honest with you. There are thousands of affiliate programs out there. Some are good, some are not so good. So if you're looking for something designed specifically for beginners, something that removes the tech overwhelm and focuses on community and values, I recommend the Home Business Academy. Their training is step by step. They don't assume that you're a computer genius. They walk you through everything, but more importantly, it's about the people. It's a community of heart-centered entrepreneurs. And it's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building something solid. And yes, they offer generous recurring commissions, which means you can earn in foreign currency while living right here in South Africa. Before I go, let me give you something practical. So if you're sitting at your kitchen table wondering, where do I even begin? Here's a simple 3-step plan. Step 1, find your focus. Don't try to sell everything, and choose one product that you genuinely believe in. And ideally, it's something that actually pays recurring commissions. Step 2, share. Don't sell. People actually don't like being sold to, but they do like buying. Document your journey and share what you're actually learning, and share the problems the product solves for you. Authenticity is your currency. And step 3, the invitation. Simply invite people to take a look. You're not forcing anyone. You're saying, this helped me, it might help you too. And that's it. It really is that simple. So just to end off, don't let the date of the calendar or the number of candles on your birthday cake stop you. The opportunity to affiliate marketing in South Africa is real, especially for those of us who are willing to be genuine and helpful. And if you're ready to start, but you're not sure where to look, I'll put a link to the Home Business Academy below, and I'll pin it in the comments so it's easy to find. So go and have a look. There's no pressure. It might be the simple solution you've been searching for. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you subscribe for more free training, and I'll see you in the next one.